Good afternoon. I am Shankar Suraj. This is Tarun Kritik. This is our project. It is a quadcopter. We have designed using SolidWorks and have fabricated using 3D printing. It consists of 4 arms and 4 motors. The motors we have 3D printed is BLDC, and there are 4 propellers. This portion is for a controller, and we will attach electronic speed control unit here. So this is our project. And 3D model. We have also done our SolidWorks model. This is it.